Hey, Algebra 2 Trig, we're doing 9.1 series. Copy this down. Okay, and then copy the summation notation down. And then our essential question is, how do I solve series problems? So the first thing we have to do is solve factorials. So we're going to do 5 factorial. And if you look at the definition of a factorial, it keeps going down until you get to 1. So 5 factorial actually means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 120. And then you also see a problem where they ask you to simplify variables with factorials. So one of the problems is n minus 2 factorial over n minus 3 factorial. Okay, so again, the number goes down by 1, like if it was 5 factorial, it would go from 5 to 4 to 3 to 2 to 1. So if I have n minus 2 factorial, it would be n minus 2 times, and then be 1 less than n minus 2, so it would be n minus 3, then n minus 4, and actually go on and on forever, so I'm just going to put a dot, dot, dot. So on the bottom, it would be n minus 3, and the next term would be 1 less than that, which is n minus 4, and then n minus 5, dot, dot, dot. So if you look, if I write the series, if I write the expression out infinitely, everything from n minus 3 repeats from the top to the bottom, so I'm going to cancel it out, and my answer is n minus 2. Okay, the next thing we'll do is an actual series. So we have to find the sum of sigma from 1 to 3 of 2n plus 1. Okay, you have to understand that this is the sequence. The 2n plus 1 is the sequence. The sigma notation, this actually just means the sum. So I'm going to add up this sequence from n equals 1 all the way to n equals 3. So I am going to plug in 1 here, and then I'm going to plug in 2, and then I'm going to plug in 3, and then I'm going to add it all up. So I'm going to plug in 1. So if I plug in 1, it'd be 2 times 1 plus 1. And then I'm going to plug in 2. So it'll be 2 times 2 plus 1. Then I'm going to plug in 3, which is 15. So your answer is 15. Okay. And then example 3. We're going to go kind of like what you did in class today. But we're going to go backwards. So now you're going to write this in sigma notation. So like yesterday, you were given a sequence and you had to come up with the rule. So just like that, we're going to give you the series, and you have to come up with the series. It goes all the way up to 9. So it's sigma, and I'm going to guess it's from 1 to 9. And I just have to come up with a rule. So it's a fraction. The top's always 1, so it's going to be 1 over, and then it looks like the number in front's always the same, so it's going to be 3. And then the only number that's really changing is that one. So it goes from 1, 2, and since I'm adding by 1, I'm going to put 1 in front of n, so it's just n. So it'll be 1 over 3n. So this is my series. It would be the sigma from 1 to 9 of 1 over 3n. And if you have any questions, write it down, and then me and Mr. Dunn will go over it tomorrow.